to day 4 of Chillin with Chet on Sick Week. We are in South Georgia Motorsports Complex, Motorsports, drag race place. Anyhow, we're going to be going one and done today. I want to get this sucker down the track, get our slip, get a little bit of data, and get back on the road and head back down to Bradenton. We have a lot more work to do. We're going to be cutting the front doors out, finishing up the rear. We got to still strip out the front. Unfortunately, yesterday, our last run, the guy was double bulbing and it was going in and out, was flickering, and then he took off. I couldn't really see the bulbs with the light, and I just took off, so I never got any data, unfortunately. So we're gonna try to get some data right now and see how it looks. I really think it should run pretty quick. I'm not gonna pull out, and we'll see how it goes. You know what's so funny is, like, I have to keep the Bluetooth on or it disconnects from the car and it wants the key. I always forget, like, if my phone dies, I gotta wait till I charge it. All right, here we go. I thought that 60 foot was garbage. 1.6. That was it. Felt that the whole time. This car is like fun, but it's super unpredictable. Yeah, 1.6 60 foot, 4.1 to 330, 6.2 to the 8th, which is just, yeah, I'm like 0.03 of a second off where I need to be. Just weird. So. Okay, guys, this is a special episode, Chillin with Chet and his clapped out Tesla Model Plaid. Blaine, introduce yourself. What's your full name, bud?
I'm Blaine Stark.
And you're here with your
55 Chevy station wagon.
And you are basically a real mechanic with your dad. I mean, you have like your duties. And what's your official title on the team?
Crew chief.
Crew chief. And what are you guys running here on this Sick Week?
So it's a LS with nitrous, a whole lot of it, and we're looking for a 9. We're setting the staging lanes obviously right now.
Yeah.
And
you haven't been able to break into the 9s yet.
Dude, we went 10.07, and then
we're doing an interview, but you guys want to get in?
Do you have the AC ribbon, dude?
We're doing an interview.
Dude, that's ridiculous. What?
I'm interviewing Blaine.
Dude. Oh.
Yeah, Zach and Parker decided to
Have you looked up at that truck's motor under the hood of that thing?
What one?
The engine bay of this truck next to you?
No.
Do not run with him.
It's gonna explode?
this is how oof it is.
Oh, sorry about that. All right, well, we're gonna finish my interview with Blaine. All right, we're back. Now Parker and Zach, they're so rude.
So rude.
Those guys.
Really interrupted.
Oh.
Damn it, shut off again.
I know, they hit the AC. No, here. Oh, there it goes.
Oh,
wait.
my God.
Oh, wait.
Come on. Oh, come on.
All right, we're good now. Well, we have that whole lane that has to go, so we're good.
Yeah, but that whole lane sometimes goes fast.
Zach is still back here bugging us. So, you're trying to run 9s. You haven't run a 9 yet.
No.
Has he ever run a 9?
No.
Oh, man. I told you, just remove a few things in there.
It's heavy.
Yeah.
It's 4,050 pounds.
But you're leaving it all intact. That's the goal.
We're actually in 4th place right now in the stick shift class. Can you believe that?
That's awesome. Back to Rocky Mountain Race Week. You actually beat me. Oh no, Monica! And you stole my
scooter. It's
my
in
scooter.
House, dude. I should have brought it.
Yeah, this is the events to bring in. Is these events to scoot around? You be careful now. Now it's your responsibility. It's not mine when you break your arm on it. I'm just glad it still runs and it hasn't exploded on you. I drove that underwater too, you know.
Yeah, for sure, dude. I thought about it. I was gonna try to do it.
No, don't. It glitched for a long time. I had to dry it out for like a day. You think I'm kidding? I'm not. Well, hopefully you guys run your 9, and then you have another chance in Bradenton to do that one again.
We're gonna send it, dude.
Yeah, you guys always do send it. Your he's a ripper, man. He's been doing this a little while, and I can't wait to. I mean, you do pilot your own vehicle. What is that?
Junior dragster.
And real quick, what's the power plant in the junior dragster?
So it's a single cylinder, basically a single cylinder flathead, but she makes 45 horsepower.
No way, really?
It's on methanol.
Wow.
Spicy ripper.
That's got to be the fastest class.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Methanol,
Yeah.
45 horsepower. How big is the cylinder?
3 1/4 and 4.
Really?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Spicy.
I would have done anything to do that when I was your age. And how old are you?
I'm 14.
And you're in 8th grade.
Yep.
You play football.
Play football.
Gonna try it out in high school here next year too.
Yep.
And what do you want to do with yourself after all this?
Go racing again.
Just keep racing,
Keep
huh?
racing, dude.
What do you like? What do you think you're gonna do with cars though? You think you'll do like a shop and stuff like your dad, or you think you're gonna do like something else?
I don't know yet.
Yeah.
We'll see.
What happens.
Yeah.
You have a little time.
A little bit.
Well, that's awesome, dude. I'm glad you did an interview with me and we got those yahoos out of here and
Yeah, dude.
got it done.
Cool.
We have to prep. You're the crew chief. You gotta get that car ready.
I gotta go get my car.
I gotta get mine ready too. Just turn my AC off.
See you, Chet.
All right, buddy. See you later. All right, guys. This is run number 2, and we get to run against Blaine's dad. So this is a lot of fun. Now he's just showing off. Woo! She got out, baby. That's a good one. Yes! That felt good. I don't know. It finally did take off, so. The butt dyno felt strong, even at 81% now. So, yeah, baby. 9248. That's a personal best for me. And, yep, we got a 1.4 60 foot. So, we are right there. We almost broke 6 seconds in the 8th. We had a 6.0. 1,000 foot was a 7.7. So I'm sure the announcer really enjoyed that. And everybody's probably like, he's done, and I am done. We got to get the heck out of here and get down to Bradenton and start the final prep for tomorrow. Right now, we're always curious if like you can get the emergency button on your alarm to work while the car's driving. We have Robert's key fob, so I'm gonna call him right now and see if we can get the car to freak out on him. Pull up to my right side, Robert. Nope. We were trying to get the key fob to turn the alarm on.
It's going off. The car's going off like crazy. Yeah, the doors are locking like crazy right now.
Hey, we got a cop. Let me get in front of you.
Sorry, Robert. It's nice knowing you.
Nice knowing you. You gonna see the black guy. You're done. Where are your plates, boy? These cops do not do their job out here. I'll tell you what. I probably had like 6 see us without our license plate.
We have at least 17 violations right now sitting in front of them.